Hi guys, today we're going to play Meta National. Cool! Look at the traps and other things you can see. Look at that. That's the trees are different. I choose this one.
Yeah, but I can't get
Because he has
additional
a paint job, so go down.
But the floor doesn't have paint job.
Low she has. She has 3 paint jobs, Stella.
Which one should
One,
I
two.
get this?
Yeah, let's show them how to do it.
Boing. I hit the stop line. Boing. Punch.
Are we supposed to be a champion or something?
Lala.
Oh, first place. Did you take a shortcut?
Yes. It's so beating us.
I always stuck up that turn.
Lala. But you didn't know that cutting
Oopsie.
First has exploded. No! Daddy, please let me be
Oh!
next to you.
What?
Lol. I hit the stop sign again somehow. Ouch.
Okay, time.
How did you get there?
I took the shortcut one.
Whoa! Oh, did you see that?
What?
I almost turned upside down.
I did the super jump. Hey, Dada, can you at least show? Can you at least go next to me? Ha! Got track punch.
Took a shortcut now. And I'm in first place.
Lala.
And I'm going to hit the tree again.
I teleported. I
You
teleported.
did too.
Yeah, I teleported in second.
What?
Bet you didn't see me. Does that smell like pee? You don't know where I am.
I see you.
When?
Oh!
You probably don't see me. That right there. Boing.
Okay, watch this jump.
Punch. I did the shortcut.
No! I don't want to hit that that thing?
You don't know what it is. Dada, where am I?
Where are you?
I'm close to the finish line. You're probably gonna see.
Stop. Stop.
So I'm already at the finish line. I'm already done.
Hey, how did that happen?
What? That's because it got in front of you to see as a boost. Coming through the race.